In the late 19th century, as the Industrial Revolution swept across America, a group of visionaries recognized the need to preserve the nation's pristine wilderness. This was a time when wild rivers flowed unimpeded, towering forests stretched as far as the eye could see, and vast plains teemed with untamed wildlife. Among these visionaries was John Muir, a passionate naturalist who championed the preservation of Yosemite Valley. Muir, with his eloquent prose and captivating stories, rallied support for the protection of this breathtaking landscape from the encroaching forces of development. However, the path to preservation was not easy. The West was considered a frontier ripe for exploitation, and many saw no value in preserving wilderness over utilizing it for economic gain. The struggle between conservation and development reached a fever pitch, with Muir and his allies facing formidable opposition. The turning point came in 1864, when President Abraham Lincoln signed a bill granting Yosemite Valley and the Mariposa Grove of giant sequoias to the state of California for preservation. This was the first instance in history where a government had set aside land for the purpose of public use and conservation, paving the way for future national park creation. Emboldened by this success, Muir and his allies continued their fight for the preservation of America's wilderness. In 1872, President Ulysses S. Grant signed the Yellowstone National Park Protection Act, establishing Yellowstone National Park as the world's first national park. The creation of national parks marked a turning point in American history. These protected areas served as a testament to the nation's commitment to preserving its natural heritage for future generations. Today, the National Park Service manages over 400 areas covering more than 84 million acres, ensuring that America's wilderness remains a source of inspiration and education for all. From the breathtaking vistas of the Grand Canyon to the towering peaks of Yosemite, the national parks stand as a testament to the visionaries who fought for their preservation. Their legacy continues to inspire us today, reminding us of the importance of preserving our natural world for future generations.